So this is my trekking bike with steel fork on it right now. I've got a carbon fork over there, and my goal is to lighten this bike up for a trip I'm taking, where I'm gonna have to climb some hills. So I want to cut the weight and make better travel time, along with wind resistance, hopefully. So this front rim brake is got to come off, and one of the reasons I like a rim brake is this particular reason right here. That was not like super difficult. I'm gonna zip tie this to try to keep it from getting damaged. Off these rings. This is another piece of that tree. It should just, yeah. So here's the front setup. You can see it's fairly hefty. That's steel. It's got a fender on it, but it's just extra wind drag, so the trip I'm doing I should be good without rain. There's the front. The carbon one is pretty darn light. I don't have a disc set up yet, so I don't have a wheel with a hub with a disc. So I run rim. So running this, I'm just going to run just run the back brake for this trip.